The way the program works, for most of our summer fellows, they'll work 4 to 6 weeks in a law firm setting, and then the final 4 weeks, or 4 to 6 weeks, typically 4 weeks, they'll work for a placement with a business organization. Anybody who applies and gets admitted to the law school is going to be eligible for consideration. Students are selected primarily and exclusively from their application file. We take a look at their LSAT scores, their grade point average, we'll review their personal statement, and their letters of recommendation. So all the components of the regular application that a student would submit, we're going to look at as it relates specifically to this program.
I've been assigned employment research. I've been assigned an asylum case to research. I've also done an M&A, mergers and acquisitions, simulated negotiation. We did a deposition skills workshop. I have done work for the litigation, the employment, and the corporate departments while I've been here. The time here at Paul Hastings has helped me decide the big question, which is, do you want to do litigation or do you want to do transactional work? I know that I want to do transactional work, so what advice have I been getting from the Paul Hastings partners, from the associates regarding the types of classes they wish their associates had taken? A negotiation class, a deals class, a mergers and acquisitions class. So these are the sort of things that you would like to take care of while you're in law school, so you don't show up at work after you've spent 3 years in school and have to be trained.
The summer fellowship was a great opportunity for me to meet people, to meet practicing attorneys, and served as a catalyst into my legal career. When I was a summer fellow, I worked on a variety of different tasks, both at Paul Hastings and at Disney. At Paul Hastings, it was incredible the type of work I was handling. I got to work and draft a hotel management agreement for a 5-star hotel. I got to attend depositions for our Fortune 500 clients. I got to participate in a mergers and acquisitions clinic. At Disney, it was so much fun. We were right in Burbank on the lot. You know, I walk to work and Jack Sparrow is there for Pirates of the Caribbean, and then I walk into my office and I'm revising a producer's agreement for a major motion picture.
It was a tremendous experience. I think anytime you're in an academic setting and you learn the policy and the theories behind different aspects and tenets of the law, it's different practice from putting that into practical use and seeing how it impacts your clients. My summer fellowship experience has been vital in preparing me for what I want to do after law school, and that at a very early point in my legal education I had exposure to my ultimate goal, which was large law firm practice. And it allowed me to kind of parlay that and use that experience in other internships. And also, as kind of a side note, it makes you tremendously marketable during interview season, during the early part of your second year of law school, because it is an experience that's so coveted and so few people have. It definitely sets you apart from your peers. Once you get into these places, you see the vast number of USC alums in high positions in all these places, and there's a certain collegiality that you have with all the SC grads right off the bat. So that really helps kind of propel you into your professional relationships with them.
Alumni play a huge role in the summer fellowship program. When I was a first year, the summer fellow before me took me out to lunch before my first day at Paul Hastings. She told me about what I should expect. She gave me some advice on how I should approach my work, how I should interact with everyone. And now moving forward, now that I am a second-year attorney at Paul Hastings, I feel as though I have a responsibility to give back. You definitely have to be proactive about engaging with young attorneys, but the fellowship program definitely sparked and initiated a lot of those relationships.